Evening as the sun went down, with the peaceful seas around, up came a pirate, splashing, and said, hey, I'm not driving. I'm headed for a land that's far away, where adventure waits on driving. So come with me, we'll go and see a place called Candy Island. Who needs Candy Island? It's ever at the docks. But there ain't no streams of soy pop go trickling down the rocks. It's dangerous and risky, but adventurous and free. Adventure, that's the life for me. There's a lot of trees and lemonade. Doesn't sound very good. Nice adventures